Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and today we've had this arrive. For those of you who watched the previous video, you know my wiper's broke and this is the replacement. Get the arm with it. So now I don't have to poo myself every time I use my wiper blades thinking it's going to fall off. I'll show you a couple of clips of the bodge repair I did now, and as you can see it's barely holding on. So we're just going to replace that now. This cost me, I think, what was it? I think it was about £25 for this wiper replacement. So not overly expensive, but you know, an expense I could have ideally done without. I've still kept the cover for the wiper arm, so that's a plus. So we can cover it up nicely and it not be looking too tatty. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the wiper blade's been removed. I've put that little foam pad there, so if it does catch the window, it don't damage it. So I've literally just got to disconnect this bolt and this bolt, but we've got to take these caps off first. Simple enough. There we go. Right, so that's all bolted up, so now the last thing to do is just put the cover on and the wiper blade and we should be done. Okay, so that is a wiper on, we'll just give it the test. And it seems to be working fine. One thing is it seems a bit low, but I might bring that up at some point, but it's not really causing too many issues at the moment. Right then guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.